Most people walk past rollback deals every single week without even realizing it. They think prices are just normal discounts, and miss out on real savings hiding in plain sight. Here's the truth no one tells you. Walmart rollback deals in 2026 are everywhere, but you only save money if you know how to find them fast. Quick promise. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly what rollback deals are, where to find them in stores and online, and how to make sure you never miss a price drop again. Let's start with the basics. Walmart uses rollback pricing as temporary price reductions on selected products. These are not clearance items. They are limited-time price cuts that usually come from supplier promotions or seasonal discounts. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Rollback deals are not always labeled loudly. Some are visible tags in store, while others only show up online or inside the app. So step 1 is knowing what to look for in store. Rollback items usually have a blue or highlighted price tag showing the original price crossed out, and a lower rollback price displayed next to it. Step 2 is using the Walmart app. This is where most smart shoppers find hidden deals. You can search products and filter for rollback pricing or compare in-store prices instantly. But here's the problem most people face. They rely only on walking through aisles and miss digital rollback offers that are not clearly marked on shelves. Step 3 is checking the weekly AD. Walmart updates promotions regularly, and rollback deals often appear in these rotating ads before or during store visits. Now here is a simple example. Imagine Jake is shopping for laundry detergent. In store, it looks like a normal price. But when he checks the app, he sees a rollback discount that saves him several dollars per bottle. Step 4 is understanding timing. Rollback deals are temporary. They can last a few days or several weeks, but once inventory changes or promotions end, the price goes back up. Step 5 is combining rollback deals with other savings. In some cases, you can stack rollback pricing with digital coupons or loyalty offers, increasing your total savings. Now, here's an important detail most people miss. Not every discounted item is a rollback. Some are clearance items, which behave differently, and may not be restocked once sold out. Also remember that rollback deals vary by location. A store in one area may show different prices than another, even for the same product. So, to wrap it up, finding Walmart rollback deals in 2026 comes down to 5 things. Spotting rollback tags, using the app, checking weekly ads, acting quickly, and understanding timing. If you remember one thing, it is this. Rollback deals are not rare. They are just easy to miss if you are not looking in the right places. If this helped you understand it clearly, like the video, comment your questions, and subscribe for more simple money-saving guides like this.